Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We'll learn how to extract the Toshiba.com BIOS file and then use it to extract the .bin BIOS binary file. Go to the system drive and open the Program Data folder. If it's hidden, enable hidden files by opening Windows Explorer, going to the View tab, selecting Options, then under the View tab, checking Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Once the Program Data folder is visible, open it. First, download the appropriate .exe BIOS support file from Toshiba's website, which we've already done. The full video is available exclusively to members of the Error channel. To watch the full video, check the link provided in the description below. Consider joining the channel to access this video and many other interesting videos available only for members.